Good morning, students. We had already started with lesson number 8, adjectives, degrees of comparison, last time, and we had finished the lesson up to point number 5 on page number 30, right? So now let us begin further. We have done how to form different adjectives in different ways. Now let us move further on the fifth point. Many adjectives of two syllables and all adjectives of more than two syllables form their comparative by using more before the positive and their superlative by using most before the positive. Positive, comparative and superlative. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Faithful, more faithful, most faithful. Important, more important, most important. Right? So what is the rule here? Many adjectives, underline this, of two syllables and all adjectives of more than two syllables form their comparative by using more before the positive and superlative degrees, most before the positive, right? That is two syllables, so last two letters ul, ful, or the here beautiful, right? That way ult, these are three syllables at the end, so you use more or most before that. Now further, some adjectives are compared irregularly, that is, they do not follow any of the rules given above. So we try to remember their comparative and superlative forms. We try to remember, you have to mug up all of them, right? So don't write this point but mug this up all. ये आपको पूरा करना पड़ेगा ये entirely. Okay. So it is bad, worse, worst, far, farther, farthest, far, further, further, furthest. Now here farther and farthest is in regards of distance. Further and furthest is in regards of the position, right? Position of placement. Good, better, best. Late, later, latest. Late, later, last भी होता है और latter, last. That is in terms of position. Little, less, least. Many, if you are talking about a number, then it will be more, most. Much, if it is quantity, then also it's more, most. Then near, nearer, nearest. Old, older, oldest. ओल्ड का एल्डर और एल्डेस्ट बी होता है अगर आप एज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, एंड दिस इज इन टर्म्स ऑफ सीनियोरिटी, right? Okay, further let us solve this exercise. Speak out the comparative and superlative degrees of these adjectives for oral practice. You have to write down this in your notebook, right? I will be sharing the answer key of this. Bright, brighter, brightest. Short, shorter, shortest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Long, longer, longest. Large, larger, largest. Able, abler, ablest. Strange, stranger, strangest. Wide, wider, widest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Many, more, most. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. Gay, gayer, gayest. It is here given, gay, gayer, gayest. Then pretty, prettier, prettiest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Much, more, most. Costly, costlier, costliest. Mad, madder, maddest. Famous, more famous, most famous, right? Famous और famous नहीं होता है. Then little, less, least. High, higher, highest. Lucky, luckier, luckiest. Active, active, more active, most active. Broad, broader, broadest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Few, fewer, fewest. Old, older, oldest. Merry, merrier, merriest. Fit, fitter, fittest. Fine, finer, finest. Near, nearer, nearest. Holy, holier, holier, holiest. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. Busy, busier, busiest. Suitable, more suitable, most suitable. Popular, more popular, most popular. Then far, farther, farthest. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest, right? Let us move on further. Using the degrees of comparison. Now exercise 2. Look at these two sentences. tomatoes are as costly as lemons, right? There is a comparison between the tomatoes and the lemons. So when you are comparing two commodities, you use the comparative degree of comparison. Okay, as costly as यूज़ किया है, 2 बार as यूज़ किया है. Tomatoes are not so costly as lemons, not as costly as lemons, right? If you are using not, the meaning of the sentence changes. यहाँ पे tomatoes are as costly as lemons हुआ, मतलब दोनों सेम रेंज में उनका प्राइस चल रहा है. बट tomatoes are not so costly as lemons, तो दोनों का सेम रेंज में कॉस्ट नहीं चल रहा है. Now frame similar sentences using these words. This is for oral practice, but we will write down honey, sweet, sugar. Honey is as sweet as sugar. Sugar, okay, honey is not so sweet as sugar. दोनों sentences हो गए. Water, you will do this in homework. I won't be sharing the answer key for this, okay? I am just speaking out the sentences. You can pause the video and get it repeated again and write down the sentences. Then water, necessary, air. Water is not as necessary as air, or water is as necessary as air. Apples are as delicious as oranges, or apples are not as delicious, not so delicious as oranges. Radhika is as pretty as Sunita. Radhika is not so pretty as Sunita. Akhtar is as diligent as Nasir. Akhtar is not so diligent as Nasir, right? इस टाइप के 2 सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं आपको, सारे वर्ड्स जो आपको ग्रुप में दिए हुए उसमें से. सो राइट डाउन अकॉर्डिंगली. Now let us move on to exercise 3. Look at these 2 sentences. Manju is taller than her sister. Manju is the taller of the 2 sisters. Right? मतलब मंजू और उसकी सिस्टर, 2 सिस्टर्स के बीच में मंजू टॉलर है. मंजू इज टॉलर देन हर सिस्टर कैन बी ऑल्सो सेड. The same way we have to frame the sentences over here. Now frame similar sentences using these words for oral practice. Again you will write it down in your notebook. Okay, further, this landscape pretty the other. This landscape is prettier than the other. This landscape is the prettier of the both of the two. ऐसा भी बोल सकते हो, right? Avni intelligent her brother. Avni is more intelligent than her brother. Comparative degree use करना है. Avni is the intelligent of the both of her and her brother. ऐसा भी बोल सकते हो. Of the two ऐसा भी बोल सकते हो. Alok strong his friend. Alok is stronger than his friend. Alok is the stronger of the two. of the two में उसका फ्रेंड आ गया और वो खुद भी आ गया, राइट? प्रिया लेजी हर सिस्टर. प्रिया इज लेजियर देन हर सिस्टर. प्रिया इज द लेजियर ऑफ द टू सिस्टर्स. ऑफ द टू सिस्टर्स ये बोल सकते हो आप. यस, यहाँ पे ऑफ द टू फ्रेंड्स बोल सकते हो. यहाँ पे ऑफ द टू ब्रदर है और सिस्टर है. यहाँ पे अवनी, तो आप सिर्फ टू ही यूज़ करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. लैंडस्केप pretty than other, इधर भी दोनों landscapes ही है, so you need not write the word landscape again. Mr. Gupta rich his neighbor. Mr. Gupta is richer than his neighbor. Mr. Gupta is the richer of the two neighbors. ऐसा बोल सकते हो आप, okay? Of the two neighbors. Now look at these 2 sentences. The Ganga is longer than the Yamuna. The Yamuna is not so long as Ganga. Not as long as, right? वो भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. नॉट एज लॉन्ग एज भी यूज़ कर सकते हो और नॉट सो लॉन्ग एज भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, तो सेम ही मीनिंग निकलता है. नाउ फ्रेम सिमिलर सेंटेंसेस फॉर ओरल प्रैक्टिस. द महाभारता इज बिगर दैन द रामायणा. द रामायणा इज नॉट सो बिग एज महाभारता. नॉट सो बिग एज महाभारता. और द रामायण, हाँ, दिस बिगर देन दिया है हमें, राइट? द फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस इज ऑलरेडी गिवन, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेज यू हैव टू फॉर्म. ओके, अंजुम इज मोर पॉपुलर देन अबीदा. Abida is not so popular as Anjum. Platinum is costlier than gold. Gold is not so costlier as platinum. The Aravalis are older than the Himalayas. The Himalayas are not so old. The Aravalis are older than the Himalayas. The Himalayas are not so old as Aravalis. Unleaded petrol is better for cars than leaded petrol. Leaded petrol is not so good than unleaded petrol. Right? Okay. Exercise 5. Look at these sentences. Mumbai is the biggest city in India. Now write similar sentences using these words for oral practice again. But you will write this. This also you write this. The hints are given here. Accordingly, you have to form the sentences. Now write similar sentences using these words. The Nile long river. Mumbai is the biggest city in India, right? Superlative degree हमें form करना है. The Nile long river in Africa. The Nile is the longest river in Africa. Mango, sweet fruit in summer. Mango is the sweetest fruit in summer. Rajni, clever girl in our class. Rajni is the cleverest girl in our class. Jeff Bezos, rich man in the USA. Jeff Bezos is the richest man in the USA. The Burj Khalifa, tall building in the world. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. I have already spoken out the answers according to the samples given over here. So you have to just write it. Right? So write it down in your notebook. Now let us go to double comparatives and superlatives. We should be careful not to use double comparatives or superlatives. We should not say Vani is more taller than Amarjeet. Taller is the comparative degree of tall. More is also used to form the comparative degree. So it is wrong to use more with taller. We should of course it is taller is comparative degree and you cannot use more with it because two comparatives together cannot be used. We should write this sentence as Vani is taller than Amarjeet, right? More taller नहीं कर सकते, this is wrong because ER लगाया है तो already comparative degree हो गया, उसके साथ आप more लगाओगे तो दूसरा comparative हुआ, so this is something wrong. Vani is taller than Amarjeet. Similarly, we should not write Mount Everest is the most highest peak. No, most cannot be applied here because इधर already highest लगाया है, EST लगाया है, highest peak in the world. Instead, we should write Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Okay. Now, much and many. We use much with quantity, many with number. Or we can say that we use much with uncountables and many with countables. Much work, much trouble, many children, many customers, right? Normally uncountables के साथ हम लोग much use करते हैं, countables के साथ हम लोग many use करते हैं. Same way, little, a little, few, a few. We use little with quantity, few with number. Little means most, almost none. And little means some, मतलब थोड़ा सा. A little अगर बोलोगे तो थोड़ा सा होता है. Little means almost none. Similarly, few means almost none. A few means some, right? Please write down this. These are very important points. This is also we use much, many, where with countables, uncountables, and write down one example each. This one, this one. Here also, if we use two comparatives, it's not correct. We should use single comparative. Alright, these 2 points only you write down, no need to write down the examples. We should not write. Okay, fine. The only one example, comparative and superlative degrees. Okay, further. Little help, a little help, some help. A little help बोला तो some help हो जाता है. Little help मतलब almost no help. Few listeners, almost no listeners. A few listeners, some listeners. Right? Write down all these. These are very important examples. Now exercise 6. Okay, we will solve. I apologize. It is fill in the blanks with the correct words. I apologize for causing you dash trouble. A little trouble, right? It will be a little trouble. Dash persons turned up to see the match. many persons, right? Because this is a countable item. Persons can be counted. So we will use many, not much. The bus was only dash minutes late. The bus was only a few minutes late. It's a countable. I earn dash money than my brother. Less money than my brother. और little money, sorry, less तो नहीं हो सकता है. It should be little. I do not have dash hope of success. Much hope of success. It should be much. I felt unhappy because my friends were of dash help. Little help. Help is uncountable, so it should be little, not few. We chose the dash of the two evils. Lesser of the two evils, or fewer of the two evils. Fewer is not possible because evils is a quality, so it is uncountable, right? So lesser. Now from elder, older we will start next time. We stop here today. Write down all the important points which I have made you underline and solve this exercise here itself. These exercises you need to write it in your notebook because this is the type of sentences of degrees of comparison that you have to make. So you have to write all these sentences in your notebook, right? Okay, we stop here today. From elder, older, eldest we will start next time.